ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hello, dear listeners. You have just tuned into our show Chronicles of the Past, where we discuss important historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is the 20th of August, and the facts are as follows. Today is celebrated as World Mosquito Day, a unique yet vital observance to raise awareness about malaria. On this day, in 1897, Sir Ronald Ross discovered that mosquitoes are responsible for spreading malaria, a breakthrough that saved countless lives. Today is also celebrated as Akshay Urja Divas, celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of renewable energy. As the world battles climate change, India too is focusing on clean and sustainable energy sources. This day is also celebrated as Sadbhavna Divas, which marks the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi and is observed to promote peace, unity, and communal harmony across the country. In 1975, on this day, NASA launched the Viking 1 spacecraft, which would later become the first mission to successfully land on Mars, opening the doors to planetary exploration. That's all for today's session and segment of Chronicles of the Past. I am your host and Harji Himanjali signing off. I will meet you once again with more interesting facts and discussions, so please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.